class number 1. You need to be able to say this. Olá, é a Jéssica. Como estás? Today, I want to give you more tools to speak Portuguese naturally. These ones are very well known, but sometimes overlooked. So let's first imagine you're having a conversation with a local and you're feeling constrained by the lack of vocabulary domination. What should you do? Go home and study every possible combination so that you can perform at your best? Well, that's not very sustainable because there will always be aleatoric situations, randomness, and improvisation. And this is the moment that I want to remind you of the two most well-known European Portuguese secrets. So we always think about this, and sometimes we forget how to learn to say these. This is class number 1. You need to be able to say this. So without further ado, the two most well-known secrets to deal with unknown territory in European Portuguese are: o que significa? O que significa? And think about significa as like it has a little drop, like significa, significa. O que significa? What does it mean? O que significa? And the second is como se diz blank em português. Como se diz em português? Como se diz? How do you say in Portuguese? Now you try it. O que significa? Como se diz? These are great for you to use regularly, to be curious about the language. They both show curiosity, but at the same time, they also show that you have a growth mindset. So, these are your assistant phrases, okay? Estou a aprender português. Poderia ajudar-me? Estou a aprender português. Poderia ajudar-me? I'm learning Portuguese. Could you help me? Estou a aprender português. Poderia ajudar-me? Portuguese will switch to English, so what you want to do is invite them to help you with your Portuguese. Estou a aprender português. Poderia ajudar-me? The second one. Poderia repetir mais devagar, por favor? Poderia repetir mais devagar, por favor? Poderia repetir mais devagar, devagar, por favor. It's not devagar, devagar, gar. Exatamente, devagar. Poderia repetir mais devagar, por favor. And finally, if you feel comfortable, you can just go for a straightforward approach. Novamente, por favor. Novamente, por favor. Again, please. But before you say the two sentences, como se diz em português, o que significa, you have to verify, is this the right time? Is it a rush hour? No one is patient in rush hour. Is this the right place? Does this person seem approachable? Is this person smiley or has a friendly face and looks calm? Try to verify these before you engage. But if you feel this is the right time, the right place, and the right person, just go for it and say, como se diz em português? Or, o que significa? Just remember to not overdo it. A conversational buddy, a friend, a tutor will be probably the best people for you to actually train this up because they sign up to be supportive, kind, generous. I hope these tips will help you in your journey, and I'm glad and I'm super happy that you're taking advantage of this material and put it to action. The most important thing in the end of the day is to practice and try. Practice, try, fail, succeed. Boa sorte com os teus estudos. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that you took the time to be here. Beijinhos, obrigada, até à próxima, tchau, tchau e continua a estudar. Vale mesmo a pena.